IARC Writing and Listening Classes. Class number 5. In this class, we will be looking at topic sentences and how these topic sentences link to the thesis statement. Links are very important. While the parts of an essay are important, the links between them are also important. If the links between these parts are strong, it will be easier for both the reader and the writer to understand the flow of the essay and also the information within it. If the links are weak, it becomes difficult to understand and the reader will be confused when they try to read your essay. Imagine using a navi in a car. You want to go from Osaka to Tokyo, and it's a very long way, but the navi just tells you to drive east. That's very vague. There's no help there. A better navi would give you signposts to follow, leading you towards Tokyo in stages, telling you when to change roads or when to change lanes in a highway. Links between the parts are therefore very important. So, topic sentences. Topic sentences are at the start of each body paragraph, and they give the main point of this body paragraph, which is intended to support the thesis statement. The topic sentence, often referred to as T, gives the main point of the body paragraph and usually introduces several things to talk about, similar to the thesis statement. These plural points are supported and expanded on with subsequent supporting and detailed sentences. So in a way, while the thesis statement creates several topic sentences, a topic sentence will create several supporting sentences. As we can see here, we have a conceptual map for our links between the parts. If we look at our introduction paragraph, it will have a thesis statement at the end of it. This thesis statement is an advantage-disadvantage thesis statement giving a judgment or an opinion judgment. Here we can see the advantages will link to one paragraph, another body paragraph, and the disadvantages will link to another body paragraph because they are a different topic. These advantages and disadvantages will link to the topic sentence of each paragraph. For example, the advantages body paragraph will say maybe, to begin with, there are several advantages of using AI or robots. Whereas the disadvantage body paragraph will say maybe, on the other hand, there are some notable disadvantageous points about AI and robots. And you can see how each paragraph, each body paragraph, has a topic sentence which links to the thesis statement in the introduction paragraph. For some examples, we could use these. For problem solution, we could say for the thesis statement, in this essay we will examine the problem of global warming and offer some solutions to it. And this might give a body paragraph which gives the problems and how they influence our daily lives, whereas another body paragraph might suggest some solutions to it. For a cause-effect essay, we could have a thesis statement. In this essay, we will examine the causes of population decline. And maybe we're looking at several different causes. So one body paragraph would focus perhaps on cost of living, which influences population decline. And maybe another paragraph would focus on technological advances. For comparison essays, maybe your thesis statement would say, high school and university both have similarities and differences, and in this essay we will examine these in order to better understand them. So this means we would look at high school and university from different perspectives. The first body paragraph could be comparing and contrasting inside the classroom, while the second body paragraph and the second topic sentence could compare outside of the classroom. For opinion and judgment suggestion essays, our introduction paragraph could be similar to the one we had before, with a thesis statement which says, in this essay, we will examine the advantages and disadvantages of using AI or robots. As we saw before, the first topic sentence for the first body paragraph could read, to begin with, there are several advantages of using AI or robots, with the second topic sentence in the second body paragraph reading, on the other hand, there are some notable disadvantageous points about AI and robots. These essay parts and the links and the characteristics that they have can be found on the following pages in the textbooks, and more explanation on Quizlet can be found by following the QR code here. So, when you come to writing your topic sentences, use your essay plan, use your rough image plan of the paragraphs in your essay, and think about the following points. To write a topic sentence, you need to remember the thesis statement which is in your introduction paragraph. You need to think, how many body paragraphs does this thesis statement want or need? How many body paragraphs would be suitable to support this thesis statement? After you've decided that, try to write some topic sentences that link to the thesis statement, but also create the possibility for several supporting and detailed sentences afterwards. As you can see here for homework, vocabulary, listening, and of course, as always, review and prepare your notes for the next class. That's all. Thank you for listening.